Let us try again, because I want to play Code Veronica today. I don't care what it takes. I'm gonna try again. I don't care. I want to play this game today. Okay.
Resident Evil.
Take two today. It doesn't happen often, but hey, has to happen. Hey, welcome back, Sam. Welcome back, and welcome back, me. All right, it seems to be okay now. Latency, please don't die. Speaking of latency, let's tweet out real quick. Blah, 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 blah. All right, should be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be just fine, if I do say so myself. Stream seems okay now. Stream seems to be okay. Let's make a drink. I ate half of the pizza in the meantime. Load complete. And yeah, load. So, what was I doing? I forgot, huh? So, I was gonna reorganize myself. And that's it. That's how it's gonna be. That's how I'm gonna be. Combine. Hey, Bill. Welcome back. I have to welcome back everyone now. Hey, we're gonna change the name. So now it's Madzaya. Am I saying that right? Madzaya? Run. Ah! I've been planted with something on my back. And it's going to hurt later. Hey, Dada. Welcome. Stream is okay now. I'm satisfied. I'm gonna get poisoned by that thing. And again, two now? I have two? Oh, I have two things on my back now. I wanna load again. I'm sorry. I wanna reload, because this is not good that I have two things on my back. I'm gonna get poisoned twice. Come on, now I know how the game works.
Evil.
You pronounce it really good. Oh, that's good. Madzaya. That's good. So yeah, earlier I was having problems with the stream. But now I'm back, and it seems to be okay now. I'm very satisfied. I'm gonna make a run for it, so I don't get attacked by the... Cloggy, help me, please! Please, help me! What you doing, Dada? What you doing? This way. I hope I didn't get poisoned. Alright, so... I'm here. There's nothing here. And is this door locked? Yeah, mining room. I got the key earlier, so now I know what to do. There's nothing there. When's the next stream with True Vlogs? Ah, whenever we both can at the same time. Stupid time zones, eh? Did I kill these? I killed them, eh? Don't you dare splooge on me. I want to stream with True as well, but sometimes time zones make it so hard. But the first time we get a chance, we're gonna stream it. I'm gonna stream it up, man. Alright, we're done here, yes? There's nothing else that I need to pick up. We said there's a gas mask. There's a gas mask. Kill the stupid... You can kill them, but they won't return. If you tell me they won't return, I will kill them. The moths. If you say that they won't return, but I'm very curious. They might return. Another generic curry with tubes. I know, right? There's nothing. This is not important. I've been in this room already. Just need the mining key. Thank you. Anything else? Oh yeah, there was a detonator thingy. Combine. No, no, no. Put them all there. There we go. Now, I remember picking this up. Hey, Vloggy! Everybody's back! Look at that! Hey, Vloggy! Hey, Vloggy! Hey, Vloggy! Hey, Levy and Julian and Resident Evil Talk! I'm back. I'm back with better latency. I stole some latency from Keen. I watched his stream, I had 8 half of the pizza, and I decided to give it another attempt. You know, that's how I roll. Okay, so I placed this here. It says it's heat sensitive. Apparently, I think I need to raise the heat in this room, probably. So it's not something I can do right now, probably. I tried shooting it earlier, it didn't work. So I'm gonna use the mining room key. I'm streaming again, Midna! I'm back! I hate it when my internet craps out. I mean, I said it was my internet, but I don't know if it was my internet, really. And it feels like I'm having a cheap stream. I know it sounds weird, but I want to have a good quality stream, you know? When I stream, I want to make sure it's a good quality stream. I don't like having potato streams. Oh, that's for Chris later. Okie dokie. Mining room key. You've used the mining room key. You no longer need this key. Discard this key. Yes. Ah. Hold on before I go up, though. I'm gonna investigate the first floor. There's a door. What is this? Really? You're not going to acknowledge this thing? Alright, that's fine. Want to see what I did to my GDS? Sure! Send me DMs, but I cannot check it now, obviously, because I've got a controller in my hands, and it won't let go of my hand. What's going on? Get decked. What? Get decked. Is it, who is it? Is it Keen? It's Keen, because I recognize Lizard. Hold on, yes it is Keen, there's Keen. Alright, hang on. I want to make sure I mention everyone. Hold on. So, there's Pokecat, and there's Ass Eater, Coffee Bird, and there's Keen, hello, Zarconix, Elizabeth, welcome back. Hey Lizard, Danila, Wicked, Chris. It's so nice to see you all. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Sloof, Roblox, welcome. Gerald, oh man, keep scrolling back up again. Hey Sabrina, anybody else? Did I miss anyone else? I think I said all of them. Yay! Thank you for the sub, Pokecat. Thank you so much. I see that you're a Pokemon fan, so I have to tell you that I do Pokemon streams, and I give away shinies, and I'm about to do one tomorrow or the day after. Probably tomorrow. I'm just saying, if you want it, I can give you, I'm going to be giving away the Hoenn starters. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you so much, Keen. Thank you so much. So yeah, latency pooped earlier on me. So what did it say? Got distracted by chat. There's a hole shaped like an octagon. There's a notice. Poison gas in case of emergency, seal off. Of course. So yeah. It's pretty, boss. I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much for the sub, Sloof. Thank you so much. You see, the point is, he's celebrating, yay! His hands in the air, and his pants fall down, like, whoops! And I am known for streaming without pants, so that's why. So yeah, I'm playing this game for the very first time, so it might be painful for you guys to watch. I've never played this game, and I call Resident Evil fan. I call myself Resident Evil fan. Yep. So, can I pick this up? Nope. Dog! Hang on. Is he going around? Combine. Ah, nice try. Alright. Wow, they did deal some damage, but I've got the crossbow now. Whew. Yay! Thank you for the sub, Sabrina. Thank you for the sub. Get it? I'm sorry, I apologize. The switchboard power is on. Uh-oh, I must activate the generator first. Okay. Look at the dog on the floor. There's an herbage. I'll take it. Vloggy, how do you like Code Veronica? I love it. I love it. I agree, it's one of the best games. But the story is weird, eh? The story is weird. Come on. It is a good game, but it's very weird. Such a weird story. There's incest. There's this guy who is in love with his sister. I mean, he's way too close with his sister, okay? It gets awkward, all right? Then apparently he turns out to be the sister. He's both. What? What's going on? Not to mention she meets Steve, a guy way younger than her. Apparently he tries to kiss her while she's sleeping. That is very, very awkward. So there's incest, and there's a lot of weird things in this game. Yeah, so sweet herbage. Yeah, come on, what do you guys think? Technically implied incest. Yeah, whatever, whatever. It made me feel uncomfortable, and I felt like I needed a shower after watching that scene. All right. Oh, hello, ammo. Oh, there's so much stuff in this room. No, I really felt uncomfortable watching that scene. It's a good game, though. It is a good game. I'll give it that. Combine. If they remade the story, they have to find another way to retell the story, I think. That it's not so awkward, I think. Because it's very, very awkward. That's just me. How I feel about it. So I need to find the generator. What is this power thingy? Do I switch on? Is there a dog over there? Holy cow! Whoa! Okay. Okay, sucker. You know what? Wow. The dog gave me the business. He was just hiding there, eh? This whole time, me trying to figure out how to operate this. Hold on. How do I get here? Can't go through. Oh, more herbage. I'm full though, huh? Hey, Philly! Philly! And that is how I call Dada as well. Da 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 da. I don't know how to do this. There's a blinking thingy here, but how do I get there? Ah, little maze. So yeah, I think, did we hit 1,500 subscribers? Did we? Does that mean that my stream is gonna be a chilly one next one? I think so. I think so. I think so, huh? Because I promised I would play Resident Evil 2 stream, and each time I get damaged, I will eat a chili on facecam. I will do that. I'm not scared. There's nothing else here, eh? Alright. Let me operate you. Hey Ashley! 1503. Okay, I guess it's time for chili stream. Not today, obviously, now, because I'm playing this, and tomorrow I promised the Pokemon stream, but it's happening. There's still nothing here. Okay. Is music playing? I think music is playing. What chili stream? Yes, I'm gonna be playing Resident Evil 2, and each time I get damaged, whether it's a zombie, whether it's a boss, whether it's a dog, something that deals damage to me, I will eat a chili for each time that happens. Last time I tried it with a damage counter. I counted how many times I got damaged. I got hit 19 times by the end of the game. That is a lot. I don't think it would be pleasant, but it would be funny. It would be funny for you to watch. So, whatever makes you happy. What do we do? What do I do? Do I put the barcode here? Yes. You've posted the barcode sticker. I saw through do this. I think it goes into that room to be, I'm not so sure if I messed up, to be honest. We'll see. You can merge the green with the blue herb, so I can take out the green. Yeah, I can do that, but I don't want to do that in case I just need a blue one without using the, you know what I mean? Just in case I want to use the blue one without having to use a green one. I'd like to keep them separate. It's just my item inventory management thing! Ah! Run, Forest, run! Oh, no, not this room. Well, actually might as well deposit some items. So... this is not where I wanted to go. So, I'm gonna put this away and this away as well. Let's keep going. No, I don't mind hints. I don't mind hints. Just what I mind is puzzles being spoiled. Really? Oh, it happened again. She laid an egg on my back. She put an egg on my back, and I'm gonna get poisoned. Yes. There we go. And now I'm poisoned, probably. There we go. Was this door open before? I don't know. My first day of art. Yeah, you told me. This is... I've been in this room. There was nothing, eh? No. I've been in this room. I'm gonna check real quick, since I activated the elevator and stuff. I wanna check a few rooms again to see if anything opened since then. So Vlog is still thinking on pants points. Oh yeah, I should do that. I wanted to check out the Fuzzbot. Is it called Fuzzbot? I want to check the Fuzzbot, but it doesn't work on Mac, so I have to install it on Windows. Oh, this guy again. Hello, sir. Haha. You'll never get this. You'll never get this. La 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 la. So still nothing in this room. Okay, okay. Bye. I will do them though. I want to do them. I want to reward people watching the stream. And it seems like people like them. The points. The thingies. So I'm back here. I want to check up here real quick. Yeah. So you can't go because it says restricted. Like, oh, I'm not gonna go in because there's a paper that says I can't go in. Alright. Fair enough. Go back, Lucky. Yes. It's okay, Sam. I got this. I got this, buddy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hold on. Okay, this way. This way. And this way? I'm gonna kill them. I'm gonna try killing them. Oops. Well, I should probably equip it, not unequip it. Ah, that didn't take much. Okay. Did we get it? Nope. Oh, I got it, I think. I got poisoned? And uncautioned. It's a waste to kill them, look, they keep coming. I figured. I knew it. I knew they would. So, I'm gonna go back here. I figured. Our developers for Queen Fans for yes, yes, Levy, that's right. That is right. You know about the tattoo on Billy's arm, yeah? So, I'm gonna check this room now. This is the spider room. I keep getting confused which room is which. I didn't notice, Elizabeth, no. Hold on, there's a... Okay, do I equip it? What? What do I do? Oh, I can go down here? No. I cannot use this. Use. No. Whoa! Chilled spider splooge. Yeah, so... It's broken. We can't... So, what do I do? It feels like I can go down here. Can I? No. Oh! Whew, you missed, spider. Nothing here. Okay, I don't think there's anything here. No. I mean, what's the point of me doing this then? I don't know. Hang on, can you just start playing this game, or you need to do other parts of Aria to understand what's going on? Well, Zarkonix, I would suggest you start from the beginning. You can play this game on its own, but you will miss certain parts. Especially this game, actually, because there's a lot of references, like Wesker shows up, and he's like, I am your brother's enemy. And you're like, who's her brother? And who is this guy? What's their story? You know? So when it comes to Code Veronica, yes, I would recommend starting from the beginning. Because this game has, yeah, I would suggest starting from the first game, Resident Evil 1, Resident Evil 2. If you want to skip 3, you can. And then go to Code Veronica, you can do that. Because Code Veronica was meant to be 3, actually, so that's fine. I'm out of here. Go this way now. You just need the gas mask. Alright, so I got the gas mask. He's lurking around. Ah, fire! A magnum can be seen. Fire is preventing me from taking it. Okie dokie. Alright, I think I'm done here. That's what they're saying. I just needed the gas mask. I got the gas mask. Max? Max. Yeah, me too. Vlog is fine with Sam being here. So, I got the gas mask. I still don't know where I need to go though. This is the room I used to power up the thing. I'm gonna go back again. If you have the gas mask, I think you need to go to the mining or machine room once you get the valve and change the Okay, this is not it. No. I'm gonna explore a bit more, because I feel like I'm missing something. Hold on. This is the mining room. Let me go to the mining room. Nope, this is not the mining room. There's a mining room with stairs. Where is it? There's it. Let me try again the mining room real quick. No, Sam. Hold on. Let me try to understand what is going on. I got some notifications. I want to check my phone. Hold on. BRB. Okay, I'm back. You see, I want to check my phone because I get retweets or stuff that I want to acknowledge on stream. And I'm glad I did because Ashley said, congratulations on 1,500. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And Geek is following me. Thank you. Alright, so. Yeah, that's it. Resident Evil talk. That's what I mean. I enjoy not knowing what to do, you know, and it's a unique feeling. You only get that feeling once. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna pick up those herbs now. And I'm glad there was one other classic Resident Evil game that I still haven't finished, you know? I get to enjoy that feeling one more time. I'm sure I'm missing something here. Definitely. I'm gonna heal because I'm tired of limping. There we go. Feels like I'm missing something. No.
Nikolai watching vloggy stream and says, I'm quite impressed you managed to stay alive up until now.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Huh? Huh? Let me try it again. Let me try it again.
I'm quite impressed you managed to stay alive up until now. I have no intention of helping you.
Let me go up here. No, I mean, I don't have the valve handle though. What the what? There's no point here. I don't know. I don't know where to go. I don't know where the valve handle is. Hang on, I already have the valve handle, don't I? Do I? I'm confused. Hold on. Hold on. Did I use the valve handle again? Before, like... I don't know. Don't you dare! Yeah, see, they come back.
Oh, I think I know.
I think I know where the valve handle is. Is it in my item box? Did I already pick a valve handle in the previously? I don't know. I think I already have picked one in the past. No, I don't think I have. No. No. And you know, while I'm here... No, haven't used. Combine. There we go. Okay. Alright. Resident Evil talk. Talk. Resident Evil talk. Talk. Tell me. Tell me, somebody tell me. I'm done. I'm done looking for it. Like... There's an indentation of the shape of a halberd. Interesting. And what about this? No keyhole can be found. Okay, just the thing then with the... giant moths. What next? Mothman? Upstairs. Alright, upstairs is in... Hold on. Watch out. Eee! There we go. Poisoned again. Upstairs. I'm going upstairs now.
I am going upstairs now. Enough with the Nikolai impression.
Second floor. Okay, I'm upstairs. I'm going up. So, I don't know. Which room? This room? This room is useless. Definitely not this room. I should do that, Levy. It's true. The U-shaped hallway. There we go. Poison hype. Poison hype. Hold on. The U-shaped. This is the U-shaped hallway. No, wait. It depends. This is a semicircle. The U-shaped hallway over there. The Claire's left. layers left is here. And... oh, come on. Okay, so here. Double doors, okay, I took the double doors. And now... it's not this door, is it? Is it this door? Have I been here before? I have been here before, so this is not it. I'm not supposed to be here now. The button is... the lights are on now. No, it's always been on apparently. Hold on a sec. No, there's nothing here. Hold on a sec, I haven't been here. Oh, nothing. There's incriminage. Opposite door apparently. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going! Okay, I just came here on purpose for the incriminage. Hold on a sec. Bear with me. Alright, here we go. This door then. Okay. It's locked. Machine room. What? It's locked. Guys. Yeah, it's locked. I don't know what to do. Back with Chinese food. Yummy. Go back to save room. Going back to save room now. There's a hidden room there. What? No way. Where's the key? I used it once and I discarded it. It was the machine room key I had. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Healage, healage. Still on caution, I don't care though. Come on. No, not this again. Oh my goodness. I poisoned myself. Three of them. Hey, look about if I win battle tomorrow. I want 2 shiny men. You wish. Hold on a sec. Am I gonna die? Oh, come on, game. Don't do this to me. My father, Alexander, alright, I was gonna read it in Ashford, but no. My father, Edward, discovered the mother virus in cooperation with Lord Spencer, who was also a nobleman. They studied it for the purpose of military use. Eventually, their study took shape. They named the virus, a variation of the mother virus, the T virus. We know about that. To camouflage their research, they established Umbrella Chemical Inc. I majored in biogenetics and I have been involved with a top-secret project supporting my father's research. However, my research went through a difficult phase and my father died in the middle of the project. We are now at a major disadvantage against other researchers. As there is a great competition in the field of T-virus research, I have disgraced the honorable name of the Ashford family that of our great ancestor Veronica established. What? That our great ancestor established. Alright, I got it now. If nothing is done, Umbrella will be taken over by Spencer. I must expedite the project to its fullest without being detected by Spencer. After much thought, I decided to establish a large-scale advanced research family. It will be located in the transport terminal that I created by using the abandoned mine in the Antarctic. Within the facility, I'll have a room built. It will be similar to the design of my mansion, the legacy of the late Trevor. I will be able to cherish my sweet memories there. Wow. For security purposes, this confidential project will be given a code name. It is the name of the beautiful ancestor of the Ashford family, Veronica, whom I wish to revive so badly. I am confident that the result of my research will be as glorious as her name, and that honor will be restored to the Ashford family once again. Sorry about that, I had to read it. Push the bookcase in the save room. Wow, I really didn't realize that. Usually I'm very intuitive when it comes to... Is that a challenge? It's a challenge, but I'm not giving you shiny shamans, because if I give you, everybody would want. But eventually I will give away shiny shaman, for sure. I promise. The bookcase... Not this, hey, this probably. Stupid. Am I in danger? She's limping badly, huh? You see, I'm on danger. I shouldn't have done that. Whatever. Usually I'm very intuitive when it comes to these things. I failed, huh? What the? Squeaky little mouse. That's it? That's it? Wait a second. Where is the mouse? Mousy! Where's the mouse? Where'd he go? What the? What the? Mouse! There's nothing here. I pushed the shelf for nothing. What the? Mouse! Okay. No mouse. Mouse is gone. I'm gonna call him Mickey. Very original. Where's the mouse? What do I do? Where's the mouse? There's a file there. Yeah, I read the file. Wait a sec. What, did I miss something again in the room? Ah! Did I get poisoned again? No. Run, run, run. No! I pressed action on the locker. My goodness, that stupid, annoying creatures. I did check. I pressed action on all over the locker. Man. There we go. Let's get poisoned. What? Because why not? Let's get poisoned again. Because why not? I'm pressing action. There's... Do I shoot it perhaps? No. I'm pressing action. I'm actioning all over it. What the heck? What am I missing? Hey, V4. I don't get it. I'm really going crazy right now. I'm pressing... Look! You hear me tapping? I don't know. Maybe a glitch. I kid you not, guys. I'm pressing it like crazy, yeah? Oh, what? It worked now. It worked. What the heck? It worked all of a sudden. Butler's letter. Sir Alfred. Okay, I'm gonna read this in Alfred the Butler's voice. Sir Alfred, please forgive me as I must tell you of my abrupt departure by leaving this letter. I first heard your father, Lord Alexander, and I have for so long shared in the joys and sorrow of the Ashford family. Lord Alexander disappeared unexpectedly 15 years ago. Then an accident during an experiment took the life of our dear Alexia. You were forced to become the master of the family at a very young age and nearly lost our sanity from the sorrow of having lost all your family members at once. There was nothing I could do, and I felt powerless. I first thought that I should kill myself to apologize. What? What?
I then realized that I would be an insult to our Lord, to our dear Lord Alexander and Alexia in the other world. Scott Harmon, Butler, Ashford family.
Okay. There's a switch. You push the switch. My goodness, guys. That was not. I know. I'm actioning the pressure. I kid you not, huh? I pressed it so much. This game keeps getting weirder and weirder, huh? What's going on? Is that Nosferatu? Plant pot. Thank you. Very useful. She's limping again badly. Poisoned. I have to use this. Alright. No, 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 no! Wrong way! Don't you dare, game. Don't you dare! Oh, no. Not this! No! So annoying! So annoying! Let's go. Sorry, Maltese. Check. Aha! Let's get poisoned again, because why not? Nosferatu's weak spot is very obvious. I don't know. His face, his chest. And I'm poisoned again. Amazing. Fantastic. Hey, welcome back, Matzaya. Welcome. I killed the moths. They came back, Sam. I killed them. They returned.
Claire, it looks like there's an Australian observation base about 7 miles away from here. That should be our target.
Great news. And take a look at that. It's a digging vehicle. If we break the wall with it, we might have a chance.
Okay, let's do it!
Look at him checking out her butt.
Steve, watch out!
No! It's toxic gas!
Come on!
New term for tomorrow. You need to get some rest, Midna. Don't stay
It's
up
all
late.
my fault.
Don't say that. Listen to me. We'll escape from here. Together. Come on. We've got to shut off the gas. If we split up, we'll have a better chance of stopping it.
Okay.
Steve! Don't forget. We'll get out of here. Together.
Should I go back and heal again? I'm gonna go heal again. I don't want to end up in danger once again. I'm gonna go heal again. Just re-enter the room. I'm gonna go back to the room real quick, but I want to heal my poison because it's annoying me.
And I'll use the gas mask, I assume, eh? Ah! Ah! Don't you dare, game. Don't you dare. Don't you even. Don't you dare. Okay, we're good. I wouldn't get poisoned again. Ew! I'm gonna cry. It's incredible, huh? I got one. I got another one. Unbelievable. Yes, yes, I know. I killed them and I healed my poison, but I'm on red caution now. So, back to the room. What? I was poisoned? How did that happen? Ew. I went to heal my poison for nothing. What a waste of effort. I don't care. I don't care if I die now. Oh, hello. That's it. That's all I had here. That's it. We're done. It's very annoying. That is very unfair. And cheap. No healing here. Oh, she's crawling now. She's on danger. Nice. She's limping badly. She's on danger. I hope I don't die from the frickin' moths now. No, I don't think it can kill you, no. I'm gonna go heal. No! So freaking annoying! I don't know what to do. I'm gonna save. I consumed a lot of healing items in this part. You know what? No. Hey, Mr. Moore! Welcome. I'm playing this game for the very first time ever in my life. Please, 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 please. Alright. Are we good in here? Are we good? Yes, this is the right room, is it? Now, where do I go from here? Forgot.
Is it this room? It's not, eh? Is it? I forgot to leave one slot now, whatever. We'll see. I'm gonna check this room real quick, hold on. There's nothing in this room. Going back to the PS1. Well, those were good. Those are good PS1. Those are good days, I mean. Good RE days. Are you leaving, Ashley? Later? This is not where I need to go. There's nothing here. Let me check this room real quick. No, this is the room with the spiders. Are you sure there's nothing here? Am I missing something? Feels a lot like I am missing something. Nope! I remember through getting lost in this area. I'm back from lurking around. No, I was asking to Arito. So. So what? I have my mask. I got rid of the mask. Oh man, this game! You know what? I got rid of the mask. I'm gonna reset. I'm sorry, but what the heck? I'm gonna go back and forth once again, as if. Yeah, I know that's where I need to go, but alright. So I deposited the mask. Ah, she's limping again. I forgot about this. So keep the mask. I'm going to take this. I'm gonna take these. And these. And these. Alright, so what I'm gonna do. Don't you dare, game. Don't you even dare. No, 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 no! You son of a biscuit! So freaking annoying! Eee! It's unbelievable. And I can't even hit them! Freaking unbelievable. If I get poisoned again? Oh my goodness. Hold on. That's actually where I need to go. I'm so stupid. I get poisoned again. Ew, back to... No, 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 I refuse. I refuse. I'm sorry. Oh man, angry bugs. Not angry birds, angry bugs. Oh my goodness.
Resident Evil.
freaking ridiculous. Okay, Midna, take your time. This way. This way. Heal! 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 Get in there. Alright, so. Alright. There we go. There we go. I think this is it. This is the room where I need to modify the... I think. Feels like it. I need to modify the thing first, eh? I just realized. So... Alright. Where do I go? I forgot where I need to go to change the shape of the valve. You, hall, second floor, go clears right, and reshape the valve. Hall, on the second. So I have to pass in front of the moths again? Do I have to go to the moths again? Is it the moths again? It is, isn't it? It's the moths again. Yes, I have to go. I'm gonna kill someone today. Is this the room? U-shaped. Forgot. No, I can't enter here. No, this is... I'm gonna poison in a few seconds. Is this it? Is this it? I know where I need to go. It's the room where with the zombie who was knocking behind the cage. That's where I need to go. This is it. Alright, let's do this. Hey, cheer, welcome back. Now he's gonna bust out. Yes, are you? Still nothing. You're not gonna bust out, really. I wish you did, because there's some stuff in there. Anywho, let's go. Your stream wasn't on live. Ah, you see there's zombies now. That means you're doing the right thing, Vloggy. You're on the right track. Moo. No, wrong room again. Ah. Wrong room. Bear with me, guys. I'm still new to this map. Yeah, it's my favorite hallway. My favorite hallway again. Yes! I love it! Ooh, did you see that shot? Ooh, nice. I got all of them. Ah! Nice. She's on danger again? Holy crap! Alright, so. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. This way, and. Oh my goodness. Yay! Nice! Is this one right? I forgot already. You see, even the pros are getting mixed up, let alone me. This is it. Come on, get up there. Okay, okay, I got it. I don't have any healing now to deal with Nosferatu.
We're safe now. Think again, Claire.
I shall enjoy watching you shriek in agony.
Not this time!
You gay!
What was that?
Oh, there's his weak spot. Okay, so he's been in prison for all this time, and now he just got up and walked it off. Like, what? What changed? I hate that I don't have healing.
Claire! What are you doing? Let's go! Are you ready? I'm gonna bust through that wall!
Go for it!
Uh-oh. Heading for me. That's something to worry about.
Right!
Can I save here? I don't even have healing.
Claire! Maybe we can escape through there!
Come on, let's go!
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die, am I? I'm on caution, I don't have any healing items, and I saved a long time ago.
Claire, come on! Finally, we can get out of this insane place!
I can't even see a thing! Where do I heal? I mean, not where do I heal. Where do I save? Come on, man. I can't see anything. Hold on a sec. Okay. I'm hoping there'll be some sort of healing here. Alright, let's see, I don't know, I'm dreading this, but there's no point in...
Okay, let's go!
Come on, let's go. What, are you scared? Move it! Ah! Ah!
Steve!
I don't think I
Hold
got
on.
this the first
I'll
time
wake
playing
that
it.
monster and come back.
Claire,
We'll see.
forget about me. Run!
I can't see a thing. What the heck? I can't see a thing. Should I, perhaps I should decrease the brightness? Or does it make a difference? Because I can't see a thing, guys. I can't see a thing. Everything is white. Is it supposed to be like that? Can I use my grenade launcher? Or is it, this is better? I don't know. Alright. Should I decrease the brightness, perhaps? I can't see a thing, nothing. Oh my goodness. I don't got this. I never stood a chance. Never stood a chance. Now what? Do I start back all the way? No, okay. Whew.
Claire, come on!
Alright, oh
Finally,
my
we
goodness,
get
I thought
out
I
of
would
this
start all the
insane
way
place.
back. Alright, at least. I still don't have...
Okay, let's go.
Come on, let's go. What, are you scared?
Yeah, I'll see if this is going to be an issue, the brightness. If the brightness is going to be an issue, I'll
Move it!
fix it. Actually, you know what?
Ah! Ah!
Hold on. Can I do it now? This has nothing to do. Oh, come on, game. Did I shoot one? I don't think I did. GG. That's alright. That's alright. I'm getting the hang of it though.
Hurry up! Go, go, go!
The heck, come on.
Okay, let's go.
What the? What? What the? I can actually change the brightness from my TV and from my Elgato if I wanted, but I'm just gonna see if I can handle this anyway.
Okay, let's go.
So run away from him first, like this, and then... Okay, out! I'm gonna equip my trusty grenade launcher. No! Yeah, I see who exploded. Maybe I should use the grenade launcher. Is it better to use the grenade launcher?
Claire, come on!
Okay, let's go.
Right, out of ammo. So what I'm going to do next is I'm on red caution. That's okay. See a thing. There he is. I see you, sucker. No. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the brightness. It's too much. It's too much. Bear with me for a second. The screen is gonna go black real quick, but it's gonna be fixed. So, how do you do this? How do you do this? Edit scene. Right click. No, not this. Properties. Give me a sec. Configure. So brightness. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna go dark. Done. It's gonna go black for a sec until it refreshes. Give me a sec. 3, 2, 1. Go, Elgato, go! We're gonna be better now. I promise you. I think it's better now.
Claire, come on!
It's better now, eh? Is it better? Kind of.
Okay, let's.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, it's much better, the brightness. Come on. Excuse the darkness of the stream right now. I'll fix it again, don't worry. Oh, no! Oh my goodness, he has a good throw, huh? He doesn't throw like a girl. Okay.
Claire, come on! Finally, we can get out of this insane
I'm not gonna
place.
give up. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Okay, let's go.
Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make. Oh, come on! The stupid. This probably injured me badly. Alright, it's empty. And I'm on danger probably. No, I'm on red caution. Poison! Interesting. If you could equip the item, just like I said. Okay. No! Am I even hitting him? Did I? Did I?
Steve!
Amy! Steve just kept
Are you
hanging in
alright?
there. GG.
Claire! You're alive!
Thank you guys. Watching a vloggy. A vloggy, alright? It's like saying watching a monkey. A vloggy. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Julian. Thank you, Cheer.
I'm sorry. I failed you.
Don't worry about it. Let's go.
Could somebody do me a favor and check the latency, please?
I swear I'll protect you next time, Claire.
We did it! We're
Wow, the
finally
cutscenes are awful.
out!
Look, there's a snowmobile over there.
Perfect! We'll be able to ride right over to the Australian base with this.
Yeah, let's
You're
go.
Sorry, 14.2, that's not too bad. Thank you, Mr. Moore. Oh, there was praise then. Okay.
This, Claire.
I think you're behind, Elizabeth, on your stream. I think you need to click live. Welcome back, Midnight.
Alexia.
Wait a sec. Wait a sec. So he was Alfred, he wasn't Alexia. This is Alexia. So confused. So he really was Alex. So it really is a he.
Alexia. You're finally awake. Alexia.
What is that?
Are you kidding me? Come on, tell me this isn't awkward. The prisoner who lost everything.
Following up on a lead given to me by Leon has brought me here.
Okay, Zarkonix, thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate that. I look forward to see you next time. Take care. I'm gonna fix the brightness again. Hold on.
Don't worry, Claire. I'm coming to save you.
Alright, I'm gonna refresh the stream real quick. The Elgato capture real quick, so that's... Oh, actually, speaking of your hunk, I'm sure you're talking about Chris and him being a hunk. Have you seen the... what's it called? The Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite trailer? There's Chris, and he shoots at Ultron. I like that. Alright, so... Is the brightness okay, guys? Is it okay? Would you like me to increase it a bit more? Is it fine? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do as well? Hold on. Because I changed the on settings. And I don't like the fact that I see the corners. Alright, give it a sec. Because I didn't like that I had black frame borders around the game. It's a little bit darker. Yes, would you like me to increase the brightness then? I can do that, it's fine.
I didn't expect to find another living person left on this island.
Alright, I'll fix it.
Who are you?
I came here looking for a certain girl.
A girl?
Have you seen anyone named Claire Redfield?
Did you just say Claire?
You know who she is, don't you?
Don't worry about her. I helped her escape. Several planes took off from this island not long ago. While I can't say for certain, she was probably on one of them.
I see. I guess my sister owes you. Thanks for helping me.
Everyone's gone. I may be the only other person left. Go on. Follow your sister and get off this island.
I must save him. Alright, how? Alright. Bear with me for a sec, I'm fixing the... How do I save him? Ah, okay. Oh, hello. So. Oh, I still have the stuff carried over from the other. Okay, that's good. That is good. I don't have a crossbow for now, so. How are we doing? Are you caught up to the stream, Elizabeth? Or are you still behind? You're worrying me, come on! Okay, Elizabeth, take your time. TYT. So. Let's go. Whoa! Run, Forrest, run! I'm not gonna shoot this guy, am I? Whoa! That's very cheap game. No, 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 no! Pick this up real quick. Come on, come on, come on, come on! I got greedy. Ah! Eehee! Some ammo. Do I need to shoot this guy? Do I need to kill him? Okay, I'm injured. He trashed me already, I just started the game. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot this guy. I'm gonna have to kill this guy. Well, if you kill the worm, you get the lighter, which you can use to get the... Yeah, so I'm gonna kill him. Oh, not again. the same one from the Claire scenario? Could I have killed the worm in the Claire scenario? And then not have to deal with it? I'm gonna try to kill this guy. Not good, huh? Come on! Aim! What the heck is going on? When will I do the shaman, the shiny shamans? I will do them after all the starters. I'm gonna do the starters first. There we go. After I do the starters, I will switch over to legendaries.
Hold on! Don't give up!
Looks like I can meet my family again. Here. Take this.
What?
So I had a funny thought.
She gave this to me as a token of thanks for saving her.
I'll tell you what the
Need it.
funny thought is.
Any more. Take it.
Alright. It's weird. You saved his life and he goes, here, take a lighter. Really? A lighter? You know, you just saved my life. Thank you so much. Here, take my lighter. I give up smoking. I don't know, I thought it was funny. He's not breathing anymore. I saved his life for nothing. For a lighter. So then, I'm gonna pick this up, might as well. Alright, so, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this now. How do I get the... How do I do this? Use. What? There we go. There we go. I'm gonna put them in the box for now. I don't need them, I think. You know what I haven't seen in this game? I wonder, are there any hunters in this game? I'm so stupid. Uh-oh. Oh, this looks familiar. It feels like I've been here. Okay, so this room is pointless. I'm going to get popcorn. Yes, they're called sweepers, Logie, and guess what? They poison. Oh, seriously? No! Lev, you shouldn't have told me that. Oh, man. Shut up. Stupid, stupid. The battery has been removed. What do I do? Okay, I have to kill these guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bye, have a great time! Where do I go? What do I do? Ah, another door here. No, but it's blocked. What the what? Where do I go? They're one-hit killers. What? I don't know where to go. I don't know where I need to go. Nothing. Hey, Lloyd. Welcome, welcome. I'm being totally noob at this game. Behind the tank. Ah, what did I miss behind the tank? Oh, I got these as well. I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna use those. I know it's not much, but it's what I'm gonna use. Did I miss it behind the tank? Seriously, I missed it. Now where do I... Ugh. Come on, Chris. Save your sister. Let's try again behind the tank. This doesn't open. What's behind the tank? I don't... Oh, wow. You know how many times I checked the button? You know, I actually checked the button because I did notice something suspicious about the button, but... How funny.
tightly shut. I can't open from here. Never been here. Is that a blue herb? Huh. Nah, it's a green one actually. And the blue one. Yeah, the game is preparing me for something. For something that poisons. What would you do without me? Well, I mean, the game was being unfair, huh? Ooh, shotgun. Nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some stuff in the box real quick. I don't have a crossbow, so might as well put these in here. I'm gonna put everything there actually. Look at all the stuff. What did you notice, Luggy? What did I notice? I don't know. What am I supposed to notice? I don't know if you're referring to the fact that I did notice the button on the tank, and I did try to press it, but it kept saying a tank. I wonder what it's doing here, and so on. Lava burns forest, flows to sea, forms the earth. Okay. Which drawer will you open? I don't know, all of them. How funny. Alright, I get it. I get it, game. Lava burns forest, red, flows to the sea, blue, and then brown the earth. Okay, I got it. This is a clever puzzle. So, lava is red, and then blue, and the earth is green. Button and this one. It won't open still. No, brown, not green. Stupid. Let's try again. So red, and then blue, and then brown. It won't open. Ah! Alright. This one won't open. Let's try again, hold on. Lava burns forest. Alright, so maybe green, and then the sea, and then I think so. So I'm gonna start with the forest, green, and then the sea, blue. I'm gonna start with the green and then blue. Green, blue. So green, and then blue, and then the red. God dang it! No, I need to figure this out. I'm a smart cookie. Lava burns forest. The way I see it is like red, then blue. Doesn't make sense, this. There we go. Ta-da! Ah, you can't carry any more items. Okay, no problem. So, haha, I didn't need to look at chat. I'm so good. I am so good. And it's nice to figure out a puzzle on your own, eh? Hey! Oh, not again! Now it should be open, no? There we go. Take the... Okay, yeah, sure. Does it work? Can I equip it? No. Should I save? Oof, feels like I should.
Nothing left for me to take or to try. No, out. Actually, it's red burns green, flows to blue, forms brown. Yeah, I figured. It's the colors that they came. Hold on, is that a... Haha, well hidden game. It has 7 rounds. Interesting. I'm gonna put them back in the box, I'm sorry. I have 14 shotgun shells at least. I feel powerful. Battery. I know where to take that one. Eagle. Alright, spider. No! You will never get me, you will never catch me. Oh, really? It's not, it's, you can't use it as a weapon, it's not part of the puzzle. Oh. That's cheap. Now what? Chemical storage key, thank you. There's a file. Let's read. Report, enhanced anti-decay alloy. Although we plan to utilize the enhanced anti-decay alloy called Deployed to create the storage capsule of the new BOW, we have had to cancel the plan. This is primarily based upon the fact that despite the excellent resistance to all kinds of liquid, including strong acid, it easily dissolves when soaked in a mixture of the two chemicals, Clement Alpha and Clement... what is that one? I don't know what that one is. I don't know what that one is, sorry. Due to the lethal nature of the new BOW, we cannot be too careful in choosing the material for their strong capsule. We have instead decided to use Deployed to create the plate portion of the Eagle plate, which shines in the indigo blue. Clement information, the Alpha type is used for gun maintenance and possesses no conspicuous characteristics. However, the I don't know what that letter is. Type will change its color to blue at a certain temperature. Here comes a puzzle. It's an odd coincidence that the temperature is exactly the same as the date of completion of this training facility. Puzzle, puzzle. Based upon our analysis of the type, we believe that Clement possesses more features. As the information is learned, we will update this file. Exit. Let's go. What do you have RE5 on, Elizabeth? PS3, PS4, PS5, PS6.
Was a friendly but naive king who wed a very nasty queen.
Who is that?
The king was loved, but the queen was feared.
Those eyes.
Alexia? No! She's already fully awake.
An arrow pierced the kind king's heart.
Chris, oh little fishy, come see my hook. Chris, I'm sending some company to keep you entertained. Consider this a small welcoming gift from me. Enjoy.
like that. PS4. Now, which door do I take? This one? Ah, okay, so that's how you stream from the PS4. Okay. Alright, so things got destroyed here. Oh, perfect. Nice. Nice. Otherwise the game would be too easy. Hey, Hunter! Whoa! Shoot, shoot, shoot! No. Whoa! You found the Albanite. Is an optional fight. What's the Albanite? What's the Albanite? I don't know these things. Oh, hello. What's an Albanite? I am raging at certain areas, especially when it came to those moths. They kept poisoning me over and over again. I couldn't take that. And this is my first time playing it, obviously. The Albanite are the ones that actually electrocute you, what? What's in here? Nordop is missing. Locked. So this room is here. This room is here. This area is pointless then. Okie dokie. You'll see, Loggy. It will be in water underground. Okay. It's horribly collapsed. This is where I came from. I can't go through here. The Eagle Plate has flown into the sewer. There seems to be a passage below. There's nowhere to go except here. Wait, what? No, nothing. Come on, game, really? It can't be. There's nowhere to go. I guess not. Okay, Hunter, no problem. Thank you for stopping by. Take care, bud. Alright, so I'm gonna take the elevator now. The elevator. No. This is not the right way. This is the right way. The elevator. So I'm on the second floor right now. Let's go first floor. See what's what. Oh. Oh. Stay down, sucker. Uh-oh. Okay, I guess. Oh. Oh. No. No. Hold on. Completion. December 8th. Alright, I'll keep that in mind, December 8th. Nothing else in this area then. This one's locked. That's the elevator. Alright, let me go to B1F. Give me a sec. Why do I have to sign into the PlayStation Network? Come on. Give me a sec, guys. Okay. Sometimes the zombie sound reminds me of a cow. Even me. Even me. Alright, let's go this way before we go downstairs. Hold on! Oh! 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 Who's looking at my phone? Okay. I was looking at the phone. Sorry. Okay. Alright. Alright, hold on. Oh, shotgun! Sorry. Got distracted with the text. Okay. Shotgun! Uh-oh. Is that good? Is that bad? Ah. Well, you know, I'm gonna stay away from the water for now, because it feels like he's looking down. There's something. There's something, look. Oh, no, I'm not gonna go down. Not for now. That's... Look at this. Look at this, cabbage. Look at this. Look at this. This is when I'm looking at chat or when I'm looking at something else when I'm playing. When I'm going like this. This is why you don't text and drive. Or play and... yeah, that's what I was doing anyway. You can't carry any more items. Okay, There's like panels here, but nothing happens when I action on them. Tough guy is here. Hey, Vladimir. You know the logo doesn't do anything? Yeah, apparently everybody was saying that in chat. How are you, Vladimir? How are you, SH Harry? Welcome. Yeah, apparently. Hang on, I need to send another text. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Sorry. I promise that was the last text, sorry. I think it's very rude to text while you're streaming, sorry. But I had to. I thought of something funny. Alright. But that was the last time, sorry. I promise. Come on, so many buttons and control panels and green and red buttons, but I see nothing. Come on. Control panel for the capsule. Push the switch. Sure, I like switches. Uh-huh. Oh man. Why did I go through the door when there was clearly some ammo I needed to pick up? Sadly, I can't understand your words, Logi, when you're talking so fast. I am so sorry, Vladimir. Yes, I have a disease. I speak too fast. I need to learn to speak slowly. It's true. No, I agree. I speak too fast. I am very, very sorry. God dang it. What do I do? Oh, there we go. Will you try Outlast? No. I will not try Outlast. It's not my thing. I don't like Outlast. It's not my thing. It's really not. It's too spiritistic. No. No, it's not my thing. I like monsters. I like scary bioweapons, giant creatures, but no, when it comes to... You can't carry any more items. What is that anyway? It looks like... Okay, Elizabeth, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. Ah, it's a doorknob. That's what it is. It's a knob. Alright. Oh, there we go. No! Ah, what is this then anyway? Chemical storage key. Come on! Back up! I don't know how to pick this up. Can I combine these? I don't think so. Never been here. I am so full. Can't carry a single thing. Shh, Amy. Don't say these things in my chat. Okay, I'm lost. I don't know where to go. Nothing. Did I make it farther than through anyway? Did I make it farther than him? Use the key on the fridge. On the fridge? What? What? I'm gonna go back to a save room. I need to deposit some stuff. And ah, nose. I'm scared. No, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna put the shotgun back there. No! No! There we go. I'm gonna put it back there. No, I did. No, I didn't. Guys, do not believe her. It's not true. It's not true. When I've read some entries from the beginning of Us 2, I understood the story was written by deranged people from psychiatry. Yes, it gave me that impression, yes. Hold on. What the heck? Alright, so hang on a sec. What is that blinking thing anyway? I don't know. I'm gonna go towards the blinky thingy. No, I'm gonna go towards the blinky thingy. Go back up the door in that room you've never been to. Yes, but I'm gonna deposit some stuff real quick. Oh, I can't go here, actually. Crap. Crap. Hold on, I need to find a way to... Second floor, I think? I'm gonna deposit some stuff. I'm too overloaded. This way? Yeah, or this way? I think this door is locked, yes. No. I have no idea. I am lost. Is it easier to go this way? For a save room? I don't know. I'm gonna go here. I'll be right there. I'll go back to the stuff. I'm just gonna. I know there's a save room here. Might as well go here. I may have taken the long way around. I don't care. Vloggy lost but not forgotten. 2017. Took the long way around. This is the only place I know where to find the item box. I'm sorry. So. Put these back in here. I don't need these. I don't need this. I don't need these. There we go. Look at all the free space now. Let's go back. I'm gonna make some real progress now. I'm telling you. I can feel it. This way. I have one small shot of whiskey left. When I finish this, I finish the stream. Maybe. Okay, so. No, it's this way. I call a shotgun. I get it. I see what you did there. Shotgun. Right, let's go to the elevator. We're gonna go down to the B1F. I'm gonna collect all the stuff. Let's do this. Look at all the stuff I'm gonna get now. I found a knob. No! Will you take the urine? Yes. Alright, here we go. So, we said it's December the 8th. So, 1, 2, 8? Yes. We got one. No, game, don't do this. I haven't picked. No. Oh! Oh! No! No! Did he poison me? Yes, of course. Otherwise, it would be too easy. Haha! Sucker! 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 Can he actually come through? Nah. Sucker! Sucker! Oh man. Ah! No, 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 no! Are you freaking kidding me? I haven't saved in ages. Are you kidding me? That symbol is Sigma. Alright, interesting. Okay. I love that symbol. I call it reverse E. Oh man, I haven't saved in ages. But that's fine, because I didn't do much, to be honest. I'm not gonna take those either. I'm not gonna take those either. That's fine. Let's go again. Okay, out. Battery. Wow, I'm so behind. Okay, we get it. There's creepy, spooky spiders. You will never catch me! You will never catch me! Aha! And he forgot the shells. What? No, I didn't forget the shells. What shells? I got them. I got them. Buddy. Got them. All right. Or, what was the RE2 that calls them shotgun bullets? No, shotgun bullets. No, which game calls them shotgun bullets? I forgot which game. Yeah, there's a game that calls them shotgun bullets.
Alexia?
I skipped the cutscene now. I hope you don't mind, because I'm gonna rush it now. I don't think there's anything here. I'm gonna take the elevator. I forgot what's in the first floor. I don't think there's anything. No, let's just go straight to B1F. There's nothing in here, eh? Just gonna check because I forget. Yeah, nothing. One of the RE2 prototypes I played, really? I don't know. I forget. But yeah, I remember. Some game called them shotgun bullets. Like, what? I need to play those again, huh? Those were good games. I want to play them sometime. You see, I'm rushing now. But I just realized something. I don't have the key. Where's the key? Where is the key? I picked up a key earlier. No, I don't have it. Where is it? And a backpack. Where's the backpack? I'm missing the key and the backpack. Ah, this game is really tough, huh? Whoa, hey, he got me. And I'm damaged. Seriously, you gonna make a run for it? There's nothing in here. Right. Useless room. Can't open it. Alright, so what? Where do I go? Where did I get the key earlier? Let's go back to the second floor again. I must have missed something. No, this is the way I came from. Okay. Ah, this is useless, this area, eh? You know what? Whoa. What? Ah, I didn't mean to open the door. Yeah, this is useless. Come on, pick this up. This is where you get the extra pack. Why do I not see it? Oh, there it is. Anything in here? No response. I'm missing a key though. Probably downstairs. I thin, thick, think. Good one. Alright, there's nothing here, we said. Yes. I still don't know where the key is. Where did I get the key earlier? I don't know. Was it here, was it? No. Me and Bosco are snuggled in bed watching Vloggy get lost. And I hate getting lost because I don't find that to be entertaining for others. That's the thing. It's funny how on the streamer's end, I hate getting lost and I hate not knowing what to do because I fear that it's not entertaining for people to watch. And yesterday I was watching a guy stream Resident Evil 1 HD Remaster. He was getting so lost and annoyed. There's nothing down here. He was getting annoyed that he's not being entertaining, you know? But it's funny how I purposely look for, I'm gonna go down here again. I purposely look for streamers playing, you know, blind playthroughs. Oh, go back to where you used the battery. Where I used the battery? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna listen to you, Cheer. Watch me as I do that. If I can remember. I'm not going in the water, huh? I don't care what the game says, I'm not going in the water. There's something. Elevator? Enjoying it. I think there's something in people enjoying others, or enjoy watching others. First floor, yeah? Getting lost. I love that. I love watching others getting lost. But on me, on my side, I find that I'm not being entertaining. No, this is where I have no idea. Nope. Second floor. Going to the second floor now. It was gonna be my next guess. So this is where I put the battery. There it is! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was right in front of my face. Thank you so much. I missed it, huh? Because I went up the elevators and I headed straight to the door. Okay, good. Thank you. Got it. So I'm gonna go back down. Okay, hopefully this is the final time I go through these stairs. Now go get wrecked by a hunter. I'm not gonna get wrecked by a hunter. Trust me. I hate that they poison you. That's annoying. But what can you do? We've done this, yeah? right? The moment I pick this up, it's hunter hype. Alright, we got this. Alright, go. Go, go, buddy, go, go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, come on, seriously? Okay, 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 okay. Oh my goodness. I don't want to continue. I don't want to continue. I'm tired and annoyed and angry. Mac Knight! Blood is on the dance floor, blood is on the knife. I don't feel like continuing. I wanna cry. Oh man, I lost so much progress again. Can I speedrun it again one more time? Can I pull this off? Can I speedrun it? Don't cry, vlog, you'll manage this. I'm gonna do this again. Go, buddy, go! It's morphin' time. How are you, Mr. Mac? I'm gonna speedrun this like crazy now. Now I memorized it. The sweepers. Yeah, exactly. Freaking sweepers. It's fine, and I refuse to save. Alright. Pick up the battery. Then spooders. Alright, it's fine. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Run, buddy, run! I'm gonna do this. Gonna do this. I'm telling you. Mark my words. Move. Alright. No, it's not gonna happen now, Cheer. I only make a mistake once. As if. Sadly, I can't advise you anything about this game. I can just say, hit everyone in the face! So, na 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 na. Come on! I is angry now. Is there anything here? I forgot already. Alright, yes, the stuff here. So, there's nothing there. There's definitely nothing here. I don't know why I went down here. Moo! Are you gonna get up again? Yes. Stay down, sucker. Yeah! I hate that. I hate that so much. He makes a run to you. He runs. And you just happen to have to reload your gun. I'm gonna hang in there for now. Nothing here. Get the backpack. Nothing here, yeah? Nice. I forgot what's down. Oh, nothing. Nothing. Never mind. Out. You see, I'm not forgetting anything now. This zombie is on fire! Bosco moved away when you sang. Bosco hurt my feelings and my pride. Nah, it's fine. He just doesn't have a good sense of music. Sucker. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. He just doesn't have a good sense of music, which is good. Made the run for it. Did you see that? He almost grabbed me. Uh-oh. Son of a... Yeah, I'm back to being. I'm back to being. On caution. I'm not gonna save. I refuse to save. I probably should. Now what do I do? Let him keep walking straight. Maybe he'll make a path for me. He'll clear my path. He's gonna clear my path! And he scores. Can you switch after dark while you're fighting? What do you mean? Switch to what? What? Alright, I'm gonna have a sip. This one's for Amy. Good stuff. I'm gonna take this. I think there's something down here as well. There we go. I'm gonna reload my gun. I cannot change the music of the game. I'm not gonna because I don't want to risk a copyright infringement. I have a tendency of changing words to make them sound funny. And sometimes I forget people might not understand what I'm trying to say. Like when I say elevator, I like to say elevator. Or instead of exit, I say exit. It's just my thing, but sometimes I forget people might not understand what I'm on about. Streamer, show the camera, please. Can I do it, really? Can I do it? Now then. What happens if I don't pick it up for now? What happens if I don't pick it up for the time being? Hold on. Anything in here? Shotgun shellies. I made a big boo-boo. Hold on. I made a boo-boo. An even bigger boo-boo. Hold on, no I didn't. We said it's 12. Funnily enough, I called it a urine sample earlier, just for fun. And then it turned blue, purplish, whatever. You know there's actually a condition if your urine turns purple, yeah, there's a condition. If it turns purple in UV light. Alright. Time to run, buddy. Oh! They're not here! Because... I didn't trigger them yet. That's nice. That's very smart of me. That's very smart of me. Alright, so... picking this up, I'm gonna face this way. So I can run right away. No! I suck. The big one. Have to do this again. No, use. Hey, what if I go now? Since I have a spare slot, might as well. Yellow caution. He's not equipping a gun. Nice. So. Once again. Now run. This is it. No, 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 not this again. I'm locked in. Yes, yes. No, no. No, rage quit. No, definitely I'm not gonna try it again. Definitely. Come on, I got locked in a corner. Oh my goodness, it's two of them and I got locked in a corner and I got stun locked and I got in front of the door. Ah, man, that's it. No, that's it. That's enough. That's enough for today. That's enough progress. Alright, I'm gonna switch off the game. Alright, and I'm gonna put some Rick and Morty on. And that's it. No, that's enough. That's enough for today. Stupid game. Stupid game. I don't like this game. This is exactly why I put off playing this game for so long. Because I knew it was the hardest one ever. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and keeping me company as I, noob my way through this game. Thank you so much. And I look forward to see you next time. Supposedly tomorrow I'm gonna do a Pokemon stream. I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of shinies to all the streamers, gonna say, to all the viewers. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I will see you next time. Ciao!